welcome back to another video. So today we are going to be installing some ADRO goodies to complete the carbon fiber body kit that they were nice enough to go ahead and let me showcase for you guys, and I'm so excited to finally complete it. So we have the car up already because like you guys will see, the video before this one's going to be some racing from Ultra Racing. So if you guys haven't watched that video, go ahead and check it out. But yeah, he has it up already on the stand, so we're gonna try and see what has to be done in order to get the diffuser on. So we'll bring you guys along. And just a little sneak peek, the beautiful carbon. ADRO's quality is always on point, so I'm really excited to get this on and to kind of see how it changes the look a little bit. Really quick, I just wanted to show you guys how well ADRO packages their products, and even the diffuser was packaged obviously way better than this. We kind of peaked of course at the diffuser, but also they did include some primer, of course a decal, so yes, happy about that, and then some screws. So we'll show you guys the whole process, and yeah.
Give you guys a heads up that these three mounting points, this is like the one thing I love about ADRO, and no matter what people want to say about them, that they're just killing it. The mounting points right here are going to be where the push clips are. So as soon as you push those push clips out, what you're going to do is ADRO gives you a bolt and a nut essentially with screws with a and a washer, so that way you have an actual good connection. So oh no, just kidding. So anyways, here we go. You can see right here you have like a locking nut right here. Sorry guys. There we go. So this is what's going to replace those push clips. So I'm going to go ahead and remove the push clips that are there right now, and then get it hooked up.
All right, you guys, so we didn't really show that part, but obviously behind here, like right under this area, there was 3M tape right on that side and then right on this side. So the primer that came in the package, we just ended up kind of wiping here, making sure any dust was gone. Well, not on the carbon, obviously, underneath. So that way we could prep it for the 3M tape to really be secure. So that's pretty much all we did. Take the tape off and then just stick it on. And then right now, what are you doing, babe?
Huh?
What are you doing right now?
Right now, I am just preparing swapping some clips around because I took out the wrong one. So there we go. All right, so I just want to make sure I have openings to put these bolts in. So essentially, there's this hole right here. Goes in just like that. All right, so you're gonna guide the bolt right here, and pretty much I feel like the best way to do it, because there's not much room, is that you're gonna get this, and what I do is I feed it with my finger right here, and I line it up to where I can see it through the hole without this in there. Then I get my finger and kind of hold it right here, and I feed this in there and get it started. And then I found that's the easiest way. If you guys have another easier way, then by all means, but that was the easiest one for me. So I have one more right here.
So as you guys can see, once it's on, it's gonna flow really nicely just to complete the whole kit. So yeah, I'm excited.
All right guys, so 3 mounting points for this side as well. Just want to go ahead and let you guys know that there's 3 push clips right here. If you want to go ahead and get this, there's going to be 1, 2, 3. These are going to be existing mounting holes, so you're going to be able to put your hand right here and tighten everything up. So real quick installation, removing this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to barely get these started and have a small piece of this tape pulled, Same thing with right here, and then when I have everything ready to go, I'll pull it. So we'll go ahead and get this ready to go. All right guys, so just a heads up, this is one of the push clips that I took out that I thought that was part of it. It's actually not. There's already an open hole here. This is one of the other push clips right here. And then what I had did is I went ahead and took this out so I can go ahead and reach in here. So I just undid this, pulled this out, and then I can pop this back in afterwards and it'll fit. So
all right, you guys, so here is what the car is looking like with the diffuser. And I'll show you guys a little bit of a further away look with the wing. So everything's just flowing really good. As you guys can see, here are the little side pieces as well. This is probably the last video you guys will see where the car is white. I am gonna be getting it wrapped soon. I know that I mentioned it on Instagram already, but I did go ahead and get a sponsorship with Tiny Bot Vinyl, so I'm really excited for that. And thank you for Tiny Bot. I don't know if they'll see this video, but I mean, this is only possible with them. So yeah, I thank ADRO, of course, so much for all that they're doing as well. And yeah, I can't wait to you guys see the wrap. It's gonna be probably within like a week and a half, so I'm really excited for that. And we're gonna be taking a cruise soon to San Jose this next upcoming weekend, the last weekend of September. So yeah, there's a lot of exciting stuff that I haven't mentioned, and I will be able to mention within the next, coming week. So yeah, stay tuned, guys. Thank you so much. Comment down below, subscribe, like this video for more content like this. And thank you guys so much for taking time out of your day to watch our videos. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.